Alright everybody, how y'all doing, and welcome back to my channel. There's been a whole lot of talk about the RTX 4090 $1,599 graphic card, which don't make no sense. So what I did was I created a price list within that price point. The budget is $1,600, the cost of the RTX 4090. Instead of buying that graphic card, you should buy this instead. Let's get right into the price list. Alrighty, we are going with the Intel Core i7-11700F, coming in at $275.99. The CPU cooler is the Deepcool AK400 Zero Dark, coming in at $39.99. The motherboard is the Gigabyte Z590UD ATX, coming in at $139.99. The memory is the Team Group T-Force Vulcan Z 16GB dual cake, 2 8GB sticks, DDR4, 4000 MHz speed with CL18, coming in at $72.98. This storage is the Team Group MP33 1TB M.2 PCIe 3.0 NVMe, coming in at $63.24. The video card is the MSI Radeon RX 6700 XT 12GB video card, coming in at $449.87. The case is the Fantex Eclipse P300A Mesh ATX mid-tile case, coming in at $79.99 with a mail-in rebate of $10. The total cost of this case is $69.99. The power supply is the Thermaltake Smart BM2 750 watt 80 plus bronze certified semi-modular ATX power supply, coming in at $54.99. The case fans are the Gamedius Elius M2 4-pack ARGB fans, coming in at $34.99. The monitor is the ViewSonic VX2768 2KP 27-inch monitor, 2560 by 1440p, 144 Hz, coming at $184.99. The keyboard is the Asus TUF Gaming Combo K1 and M3 RGB wired gaming keyboard with optical mouse, coming at $69.99. The base total of this build here is $1,467.01, which a mail-in rebate of $10 gives you a total cost of $1,457.01. You can't go wrong with this build here. And this build is a full build of the total price of the RTX 4090 GPU. So with that, you can go ahead on and purchase your parts. Might could get some of these parts on sale. You cannot go wrong with it. I'll be putting all the system performance in the description below, so you can go ahead and click on it or watch that creator's video of how the system perform, and you're all good. I'll be putting the PC part picker web link in the description below, so y'all can go ahead and buy the parts, and you can't go wrong with it. It's holiday season, and it is equivalent to the price of the RTX 4090, so you don't have to waste all your money just buying the GPU. Instead, you go ahead and build your whole full system, and you can go ahead and enjoy your games at its best. I want to thank y'all for watching this video. If you like it, hit the like button. If you want to go ahead and post comments on it, if you want to make changes to it, what parts you will change out, post it in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.